Hello, TLC drivers. In this video, we'll show you how to download and properly configure the Limices app on Android devices. First, open the Play Store. Once you're in, type LSN Driver in the search bar. The official Limices app, LSN Driver, will then appear. Tap Install. Once the installation is complete, tap Open. For the app to function correctly and without interruption, it's important to accept all the requested permissions. First, enable notifications by selecting Allow. When you reach the app's main screen, tap Get Started to begin the setup process. Next, tap where it says For Company Device Login, tap here. Now enter the following information: your phone number, the company name, GALLANT, the access code provided by the dispatcher or the person who registered you with the company. After entering the information, tap Log In. The application will request additional permissions to optimize its performance. First, you'll see Display over other apps, which allows Limices to display important alerts and send notifications for incoming jobs, even when the app is running in the background. Now, tap the Grant Permission button. Next, find the LSN driver by scrolling down until you find the application. Activate the switch by sliding the button to the right until it turns blue. Then, go back to the previous screen and tap the next button. Now, you'll see Battery Optimization. Grant this permission by tapping the Grant Permission button and then OK. Finally, tap the Next button. Next, you'll see Keep App Active. Tap the Grant Permission button again. Then, scroll down to find Manage App if unused and turn off the switch by sliding it to the left until it turns gray. Go back and tap Next. After that, you'll see Allow Full Screen Pop-ups. Tap the Grant Permission button. This will take you to another screen where you need to find the Allow Permission option. Enable it by sliding the button to the right until it turns blue. Go back and tap Next. Now, you need to enable camera permission. Tap Grant Permission and select while using the app. Then tap Next. Finally, you'll see phone calls or call permission. Tap Grant Permission and then Allow. After this, simply press the Next button. Finally, it's very important to enable the location option at all times to avoid payment problems and GPS issues. To do this, first press the Grant Permission button. Then, in the window that opens, select the Allow All the Time option. Below, where it says Use Precise Location, activate the switch by sliding the button to the right until it turns blue. After this, go back and click the Finish button. Done. The Limices app will now be set up and ready to use. To disconnect, tap Stop and confirm. To start receiving rides, tap Start. Once activated, you can view and manage all your rides directly from the Limices app. That's all. It's your turn.